Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to organize uploaded models. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, come to your AiHouse website, alright, and then on top here, click onto your business center. Okay, once you're in, select product and then select category. Alright, so as you can see right now, I have two categories over here. One is white, one is black. So let's say I would like to create a new one, just click on new and then give your category a name. Okay, so right now I have three types of categories. Okay, so go back to my over here, click on my. Alright, so this is where you actually upload all your models. Alright, so I've actually uploaded earlier. So right now I'll use this chair, okay, or table, edit. Okay, so right now my table is not in any category. So if let's say I'll put it into my pink category and then just click submit. Right, once you're done, start to design. Let's go to our design page. Alright, so right now I'll drag a room out first for my layout. Okay, so right now come to your my, okay, and then click on upload. Okay, so over here you can see all your uploaded models. Alright, you can just click on models and then you'll see a bar over here. So the categories will be shown here, which you have created earlier. Okay, so just now I actually edited this chair into my pink category. So when I click on my pink category, it will show the chair. Alright, okay, if let's say I click on my black, so this is my models in my black category and my white. Okay, if you want to see everything, just click onto all. Alright, so this is how you can organize all your uploaded models. Alright, good luck trying, guys.